Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Noviqo Skincare. Noviqo Skincare is advertised as a breakthrough product that gives a visible glow after just one use while also softening wrinkles, fading dark spots, and improving skin texture. Unlike regular creams and serums that mostly sit on the surface, Noviqo claims to penetrate deeper into the skin to reach the dermis, the layer where real renewal begins. This is where signs of aging, like wrinkles and fine lines, usually form. The formula is said to include activated collagen, peptides, hyaluronic acid, and hydrating plant extracts. These ingredients are known in the skincare world for boosting hydration, restoring firmness, and supporting healthier skin. By targeting deeper layers, Noviqo aims to offer clinic-level results from home without invasive treatments like microneedling. While the product's description sounds impressive, there are a few things to keep in mind. The company makes bold claims about quick results, but there's limited independent research or clinical proof provided to back them up. Many online reviewers appear overly positive and could be a part of marketing rather than genuine customer feedback. Overall, Noviqo may contain promising ingredients, but the lack of transparency and strong evidence raises some doubts. It makes work for improving hydration and glow, but whether it truly delivers long-term anti-aging results is still uncertain. If you decide to try it, it's best approach with caution and not rely solely on the advertised claims. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.